Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios for August 29th, utilizing that 5 off 25. If you want to see what low out-of-pocket scenarios we have for today, just keep watching. Real quickly, if you have TikTok, you should head on over there and follow me at my couponing live. Beginning September 1st, I'll be posting videos over there teaching you how to coupon. All the videos over there are less than 1 minute long. So if you want some simple, easy couponing tips, then head on over to TikTok and follow me. Before we get started, let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The very first and most important rule is you want to scan every item in the store with your app. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, but the reason you are doing that is because you want to check that the prices come up correctly. There are times when an item could be on sale, or it could also be a price break, and the Dollar General employees just don't have time to change the tag. So you want to scan the item to make sure the price is what you have wrote down on your scenario, because if that price is off just a little bit and it throws you under $25, the 5 off 25 will not come off at the register. Another reason you're scanning those items is to make sure the digital coupons are attaching. At Dollar General, the digital coupons are very finicky. Sometimes it will attach to an item of 1 cent, but it will not attach to the same item of a different cent. So you need to scan to make sure those items are definitely attaching. If you're doing a gain scenario, you want to make sure the coupon you're using plus the gain coupon are both attaching to each item in that scenario. If there is one single item in that gain scenario that's not attaching to that gain coupon and it throws you below that $30 gain total, then that gain coupon is not coming off at the register. I'm also going to show you in just a second what I mean with that gain coupon attaching. Another thing to keep in mind is those instant savings. As an example, if you're doing a 5 off 25 deal and you have a spend 15 on Scott products, save $3 instantly, then you're going to have to make sure your new total is $28 before coupons, because that $3 will come off and you still have to be at that $25 threshold after that instant savings comes off. And lastly, get what you need, not what is cheap. I personally do not like travel and trial size items. So before I wouldn't even put them in my scenarios, but people really like the very low out-of-pocket scenarios with all the travel and trial size things. So now I try to include at least one very low out-of-pocket scenario for you. And now let's do a quick rundown of how to use the app. First thing you're going to do is open up the app. Once you open it up, you're going to click right here in the middle at the bottom onto list. Once this screen opens up, you're going to check the top. You're going to make sure this location is the store that you're at. If not, you're going to hit change store and put it on the correct location. Once you're set on the correct location, you're ready to scan some items. So you're going to click this little barcode here. The screen will pop up and then you're ready to scan. I'm going to scan a few items out of my stockpile to show you what will happen. Here is some Gain dish soap. When we scan it, we see there's a 50-cent coupon. We also see that the Gain digital coupon is attaching. Now we're going to click add to list. If you look up here, it'll show it in our cart. Click the deals applied. It'll show you what coupon attached to it. Now we're ready to scan another item. So let's click the barcode again. And like before, once you click the barcode, the screen will pop up and you can begin scanning another item. We're going to grab an Airwick oil twin pack. Let's go ahead and scan it. As you can see at the bottom, there's nothing there. That means no coupons have attached to this item. If you know for a fact this item does have a coupon and it's showing there's no coupons, go ahead and scan a different scent because you may find a coupon for a different scent. Okay, now let's grab some U by Kotex and scan them and see if there's any coupons that attach to them. You find the barcode and scan it here. You will see that a $1 coupon attaches to this item. This little check mark over here has to be checked in order for the coupon to be clipped to your account. One more little thing I want to add is this total here at the bottom, the $4.27. Do not go by that total. That total is rarely correct. The best way to get your total is to do some old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. We're going to start with one of our super low out-of-pocket scenarios. We're going to pay just $3.38 for all of this. First, you're going to pick up one Arm & Hammer Power Pack for $3.95. You're going to use that 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer digital coupon. Then you're going to buy one Schick Classic Razor for $4.50. You're going to use that $3 off 1 Schick digital coupon. You're going to pick up one pack of those Bic Extra Fun pencils for $1.25. You're going to use the $1 off 1 Bic Stationery digital coupon. We're going to pick up one Crest Cavity and Tartar Protection toothpaste. They're $2 each. You're going to use that $2 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders out of the travel section. They are $2 each. We're going to use that $3 off 2 Head & Shoulders digital coupon. Then we're going to pick up one of those Bic Us razors. They are $9 each. We're going to use that $5 off 1 Bic Us razor digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks. They're 0.9 ounce up front by the candy bars. They're just little individual packets. They're 3 for $1. We're only going to pick up 2. It's going to be a total of 68 cents. Then you're going to use that $1 off 2 Welch's snack digital coupon. And you're going to want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. After that wonderful cashier scans all of those items, your total will come to $25.38. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $22 worth of digital coupons going to come off, making your new total before tax $3.38. And that is extreme couponing. For this next scenario, you're going to pick up one of the Bic Us razors for $9. You're going to use that 5 off 1 Bic Us razor digital coupon. You're going to buy 1 Tide laundry detergent or pods for $8.95. You're going to use that $3 off 1 Tide digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer Power Packs for $3.95. Use that $2 off 1 Arm & Hammer digital coupon. Then you're going to buy 1 Febreze Unstoppable Small Space for $4. It has to be the Unstoppable. You're going to use that $2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppable digital coupon. And then, of course, you're going to want to make sure that 5 off 25 is definitely clipped to your account. The cashier is going to ring up all of your items. Your total will come to $25.90. Then you're going to want to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $17 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.90. Okay, for our next scenario, we're going to pick up 2 of the Old Spice body wash. They're $4.50 each. We're going to use that $5.49 off 2 Old Spice digital coupon. We're going to pick up 3 of the Scott toilet papers. They're $5 each. We're going to buy 1 Febreze Unstoppable Small Space for $4. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppable digital coupon, and we're going to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to our account. You're going to go up to the checkout. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will be $28 before coupons. When she hits total, $3 instant savings will come off for the Scott toilet paper. That'll make your new total $25. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $12.49 worth of digital coupons are going to come off, making your new total before tax $12.51. Okay, now for our final scenario, we're going to buy 1 Gain liquid detergent, 75 ounce for $6.95. We're going to use the 2 off 1 Gain detergent digital coupon. Then we're going to buy 1 Gain fabric softener, 90 ounce for $6.95. We're going to use that $2 off 1 Gain fabric digital coupon. We're going to pick up 2 of the Gain dish soaps. They're $2 each. We're going to use that $1.50 off 2 Gain dish soap digital coupon. We're going to buy 1 Gain fabric sheet, the 34 count for $2. Then we're going to buy 2 Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. They're $3 each. We're going to use a $1 off 2 Mr. Clean digital coupon. We're going to make sure we have that 5 off 20 Gain purchase digital coupon attached to our account, and also the 5 off 25 Gain purchase digital coupon. The cashier is going to scan all of your items. Your total is going to come to $25.90. You're going to enter your number at the keypad. $16.50 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $9.40. And here's a friendly reminder for this scenario. You have to scan every single item and make sure it's showing that $5 Gain coupon attaching to the item. Again, some cents will attach and some cents will not. So you have to scan every single item in this scenario and just look at the bottom and make sure that $5 off coupon is showing down below. Okay, that's all the scenarios I have for you this week. Don't forget, if you have TikTok, you should go over to TikTok and follow me. Starting September 1st, we're going to have small videos teaching you how to coupon, and we'll be hitting different stores. How do you search me? You open up TikTok, you hit the little magnifying glass at the bottom. Up top, you'll see a search bar. Type the @ my couponing life, all one word, hit enter, and it should pull up my account. As always, I want to thank you all for taking time to watch my videos. You have no idea how much it means to me. If you have any questions, complaints, comments, concerns, anything, drop them in the comment box below. I'll be glad to get back to you. Also, if you haven't yet, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out getting my video shown. And if you're not yet subscribed yet, you should go ahead and do that, because we would love to have you as part of our family. So hit the little subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, don't forget to scan your receipts to Fetch and IBOTTA. If you have not joined Fetch and IBOTTA yet, I have my referral code in the description box below. And if you use my referral code, you get some bonus money when you scan your first receipt on both of them. And I guess that's all I got for you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next time, bye.